Hi, this is Tyler. I'm going to be showing you how to jailbreak your iPod touches. So, there's a couple things you're going to need to know first. First one is this is an untethered jailbreak, which means that in the event that something goes wrong with your iPod or it crashes, or you just want to reset it to factory settings, you can do that without ruining the condition of your iPod because it is untethered. So, yeah. Basically what a jailbreak does is it gives you Cydia, which allows you to download third-party apps as well as other things, whatever you may need, such as saving YouTube videos to, illegally hacking people's Wi-Fi. So, anyways, this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to do that. So, there's a couple things you're going to need. The first one is you're going to need to know which firmware you have on your iPod. Now, to find the firmware on your iPod, you're going to want to go to your settings, then go into general, and then go into about. After you do that, you want to scroll down and it'll have a thing that says version. Now, this works with, by the way, this works with second generation MC models, which before it, a while back it didn't, but now most jailbreaks will, especially this one. So it'll say, your version will say 4.2.1 or 3.1.3 or whatever you may have. So after you find out which model you have, then you're going to want to go to this right here, and it has a list of the different downloads they have. See, this one's for different things. You're going to want to go, like, I use this one, 4.2.1. This is for 4.1. They have the Windows and Mac. I used Windows. It works fine. It really doesn't mess with it. Linux is a piece of crap, so I'm sorry for anybody who has to use that one. Fortunately, they haven't come out with one. It is free. So you're going to want to download it, which I already have. And you're also going to need this. By the way, both these links are in the description, so you don't have to go anywhere. You're going to want to download this, and it opens up WinRAR. What WinRAR does is it opens up zip files, which are compressed files to save space on the internet, and it also cuts down on downloading time, which is really nice as long as you have this software. So you're going to want to download this. So I have a little stash right here where I've already done this. I have WinRAR right here, and then I have the Greenpoison. So I'm going to just drag these both to the desktop real fast so we can. It's a snack like nothing else. Craft milk bite bars are made with real milk combined with tasty granola. Now this is deceivingly simple to do. A lot of people will try to make it harder than it's not. First thing, so after you've downloaded both of these programs, you're going to want to open up WinRAR and search for the file. This is what it looks like. You're going to want to search for the file that it's under. I would save it to the desktop so it's really easy to find. See, I've already done it. It'll be in a file. It's usually pretty close to unmarked. It'll look something like this. I've been doing torrents and whatnot. Boss being legal. So it'll be something like this. So when you go into it, it's not going. Anyways, it'll open up like this, and it'll have the files inside of it. Same thing with that one. So when you go in, you're gonna want to look for this file. There's only two. So after you have this on, you can just click and drag it to the desktop. I'll show you how to do that real fast. Watch closely. It gets confusing. Whoop! Look at that. It's a 334 megabyte file, just over with like that. So it shows you how fast, especially since Greenpoison is a pretty small file. Yep, that's where I want it to go. Alright, so let's open up Greenpoison. We're not doing an Apple TV, so yeah. So then, you're going to want to go to prepare to jailbreak. When you click this, you're going to want to turn off your iPod before you do this, so hold on. It'll have a countdown on it. You're going to press and hold the sleep button, which is the top button on your iPod. And you're going to hold the sleep and press and hold the home button at the same time. And it doesn't have to be exactly perfect on the timing. I mean, this is just giving you plenty of leeway. Then you release the sleep button and continue holding the home button. And if you have the sound on, you'll hear your computer ding and talk to you and be like, device is recognized or whatever. By the way, close iTunes out before you do this, because it's just going to bug you and try to sync all the time. So if we did this right, it would take a second, and then as soon as it was in DFU mode, it would, you'd be able to click this. It'd say Jailbreak. It opens up. There will be a list of black code going down it. It takes about 10 minutes, 15 minutes tops. After you're done with this, just be patient. There'll be a white screen, then there'll be code, and then it'll go up with spinning like when your iPod dies completely. Then your iPod will come up with the load symbol, which is going to be new. It's going to look like this instead of the original Apple symbol that usually comes up when you turn your computer on. So after you open this up, you can go into Cydia, and I'll have another video on that in a second. So comment, rate, if you're Mark, this is to help you out, buds. Yep.